Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on moving your landline number into the cloud. So you may or may not know that BT are switching off the landline. So in 2025 the landline won't exist anymore. So if you are one of those users of the landline that don't want to lose the number, or at least you want to just keep holding on to it for the short term, then second number can help. So what we'll do is we'll move that number from BT into the cloud, and there it will sit in the internet for forever and ever, so that you can then receive calls on that number as you are now. Now you probably use your mobile more, but people like the GP, the internet banking people, friends and family, grannies, they're probably still using your landline number. So to lose it would be a bit of a headache, to save you having to go through all of those sign up processes again, to change the details with your internet banking, to change the details with your GP, to tell your auntie what your new number is. Can be a bit of a headache. So what we've recommended is moving the number into the cloud because it's super cheap. You move it into the cloud with second number, and then what you can do is you can set a divert, so it diverts to your mobile phone, so therefore you've got two numbers on one phone. You can put an app on your phone so that you can receive the calls directly onto the app. Plus you can do loads of other things. If you've still got a landline number that's advertising your business, for example, you can actually stick a menu system on the end of that number. You can have it divert to a call handling service. You can put a chatbot on there. You can do tons more stuff, and it's a way cheaper than paying for a landline through BT. So if you don't want to lose your number and you do want some extra features, then second number is the way to do it. So I'm going to show you how you go about that. Now it's going to invariably involve what's called a port. And that means to port the number away from BT or TalkTalk or Virgin, whoever it may be, over to second number. And it's just basically a form that you fill out online, and you'll do that via the sign up process. So this is our website that you've probably seen already, and what I'm going to do is click on this sign up for free button in the corner here. So what you do here is you'll first of all type in your landline number, the one you've got currently with your current provider. I'm just going to make a number up here, and you're going to type in an email address. Then we click next. And then it says, thanks for signing up to second number. It was as simple as that. Please check your email and obviously check your spam folder in case it goes in there for further instructions. So I'm just going to pause the video. I'm going to go into my email, get the login details, and carry on from there. Just give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. So I've gone into the email that they've sent me, and it contains in there a password. So I've clicked on the link that's contained in the email, and I've typed in the password here into the login screen. So far this is all free. There's no obligation. You're just signing up. And I'm just going to show you how we go about moving the number from BT, TalkTalk, Virgin, whoever, over to second number. So I'm just going to click on sign in. Now what's going to happen, it's going to show me a geographic number porting page. So don't be frightened, this is dead easy. So basically, let's read out what it says. It says, welcome to second number, your account is now live. For your UK landline number to move to the cloud, we need you to complete the form below. Most of the information can be found on a recent bill. So what we will do is we'll fill in the blanks here. So it wants the name of the provider, so we can type in, say, TalkTalk. The account number that features on the bill, sometimes it starts with VP in the case of BT bills. TalkTalk starts with different letters. Customer name, Fred Blogs. Company name, if there is one, we can leave that blank. Installation address, 12 High Street, etc, etc, etc. Town, London, country UK, postcode W1 to AA. And then we fill out if we have any other numbers on the line. We probably don't. We can leave this bit blank. And an authorization. We're basically signing this. So I'm signing this Fred Blogs. Again, Fred Blogs, just to confirm that I'm definitely in agreement that I want to move the number over to second number. Position, we don't need to type a position. Job role, otherwise type in NA. It says we don't have a job role. We're a home user. We're just going to type in NA. And then we click next. So I won't click next because that will actually start the process in the background, and because I've used a fake number it's not going to work. But what you'll do is you'll click next, and then we will get the port request, and then we will process that port request accordingly. And what that basically means is taking the number from BT or TalkTalk over to second number, and that normally takes around 5 working days. And once that's done, the number will be sat in the cloud, and then you can use all the features on the left hand side here. These won't work at the moment, but you've got a thing like a web phone where you can make calls through the web page. Again, you can do all this via an app on your phone as well. You can even send and receive text messages. You won't be able to receive text messages to your landline, but you can send text messages. The system comes bundled with text messages and minutes per month. And you've got all the other wizards and features that you get with second number. You can build chatbots, you can build a menu system. There's all sorts of different features in there that you can see on our other videos. But basically that's all there is to it. It's a simple case of logging into your account, filling out the porting form, and away you go. And then only once you've done all that, then you will be billed monthly for the service, and it works out around about £3.50 a month. So it's very cheap, very cost effective, and away you go. Finally, the one thing that a lot of people do tend to do is set a divert. So once the number has ported over to us, we can go into the settings tab, scroll down, and there's an option here that says call diversion. We tap that. We can divert the number to, say, another mobile number, 07 blah 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 blah. Click set divert, and away we go. The number is diverted, so any calls to your landline will always come through to your mobile phone. So that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, obviously reach out to us. All of our contact details are on the website. And yeah, I hope to see you moving over to second number soon. Many thanks.